fastest land animal on the planet. This cat can run at speeds of up to 70 miles per hour. That's faster than most cars on the highway. If this amazing feline was a human, he would be Usain Bolt by far. But these incredible speedsters are not just blessed with athletic ability. They have an incredibly fascinating anatomy that helps them get to those impressive speeds. These guys are so fast that if they wanted to, they could catch up to your car while you're driving down the highway. The cheetah is one of the most remarkable predators of the African savannah. There is no other land animal that can match its unmatched sprinting ability. The cheetah uses its natural gifts to chase down prey such as gazelles, impalas and warthogs. But even though they are gifted with such amazing abilities, these magnificent cats are currently listed as a vulnerable species. The main reason why these majestic felines have ended up in such a bad situation is because of human activities. Habitat loss and poaching have put a massive dent in their population numbers. On top of that, there is also a decline in the population of their prey, which is another major factor. And if we don't do something about it now, we may lose these guys forever. Before we continue, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon for more videos like this one. With that being said, let's see how this cat became the fastest animal on the planet. Number 4. Slender and aerodynamic. You may have noticed that the cheetah has a very unique build compared to other big cats. Their bodies are quite slender and aerodynamic. Along with their long legs, which are perfect for running, they are able to move through the tall grasses of the savannah with relative ease. While all the other big cats sport bulky, muscular bodies, the cheetah's slender physique allows them to move with incredible agility and grace. Despite their thin appearance, these cats are well equipped to survive in the wild. Their light build enables them to move swiftly and silently, allowing them to ambush their unsuspecting prey. Cheetahs have long been admired for their elegance and power. No, 3 long legs and flexible spine. When we think of a cheetah, the first thing that comes to mind is its extraordinary speed. And if we look at the legs of a cheetah, it becomes clear why they are the fastest animal on the planet. A cheetah's legs are longer than any other big cat. This is what allows them to achieve such high speeds. In fact, the length of their legs in proportion to their body size is second only to the giraffe among all mammals. But it's not just about having long legs. The cheetah's leg muscles are also specially adapted for running. They have powerful hind legs that enable them to jump up to 20 feet in a single leap. These amazing felines are built for speed, which is reflected in their impressive hunting record. They can reach speeds of up to 70 miles per hour in short bursts, which makes them the fastest land animal on the planet. This is thanks to their flexible spine, which gives them an extra boost when they need it. This flexibility allows them to take longer strides while running, which increases their overall speed. Not only that, but it also helps them absorb shock while running at high speeds. This is important because it prevents injury to the delicate bones and joints, allowing them to run faster and more efficiently. Number 2. Specialized respiratory system. A key factor behind the cheetah's lightning-fast sprints is its highly specialized respiratory system. Now, you may wonder, what makes the cheetah's respiratory system so special? Well, firstly, cheetahs have a large heart that helps pump blood and oxygen throughout their body while running at high speeds. This means that their heart is able to expand to 8 times its normal size while they are running, providing enough oxygen and nutrients to keep their muscles working. Cheetahs also have a large diaphragm, which is a dome-shaped muscle that helps with breathing. This allows for efficient gas exchange, ensuring that the bloodstream is kept oxygen rich even during intense chases. Finally, the structure of the cheetah's lungs is also unique. Instead of the typical sponge-like alveoli found in other mammals, cheetahs have smaller and more numerous alveoli. This increases the surface area for gas exchange, allowing for more oxygen to be absorbed into the bloodstream. Overall, the cheetah's specialized respiratory system is a marvel of evolution and plays a crucial role in allowing these animals to sprint at incredible speeds. Number 1. Tear marks. When we look at a cheetah, one of the most striking features that catch our attention are the distinctive black markings that run from their eyes to their mouth. These black lines, also known as tear marks or racing stripes, are unique to the cheetah among all other big cats. Now you might be wondering why a cat would have such prominent markings on its face. Well, despite their fierce reputation, cheetahs are actually quite sensitive. Just like us humans, they can be dazzled by the bright sunlight, especially when it reflects off the tall grasses of the savannah. But unlike us, they don't have the luxury of simply squinting their eyes to block out the harsh glare. To combat this problem, cheetahs have evolved to have dark facial markings that act as natural sunglasses. These markings, also known as a malar stripe, extend from the inner corners of their eyes down to their noses. When the sun is shining brightly, these stripes create small shadows around the eyes, reducing the amount of direct sunlight that hits the retina. This allows the cheetahs to see more clearly and reduces the amount of glare they experience. This adaptation is particularly useful when they're chasing down their prey, as it allows them to focus on the animal they're pursuing without being distracted by the bright light. So the next time you see a cheetah, take a close look at its eyes. You might just notice the faint shadow of its tear marks, a reminder of the incredible adaptations that allow these cats to thrive on the African savannah. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to leave a like before you go. And don't forget to stay tuned for more amazing videos like this one. Also, check out these videos that we know you will love. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. No. 5. Can't roar. We all know that the cheetah is famous for its incredible speed, but did you know that it cannot roar? Yeah, that's right. Even though the cheetah belongs to the Felidae family, which includes all the big cats such as lions, tigers and leopards, they cannot roar like the rest of their feline cousins. The reason why is because the cheetah's hyoid bone, which is a small bone in the neck that helps support the larynx, is not connected to the rest of the skeleton. This is unlike other big cats whose hyoid bones are connected to their vertebral column, allowing them to roar. Instead of roaring, cheetahs communicate with each other through a variety of vocalizations, including purrs, chirps, and growls. Purring is often used by mother cheetahs to communicate with their cubs, while growling is used to warn off potential threats. Interestingly, the cheetah is the only big cat that cannot roar. This is likely due to its unique evolutionary history. Unlike other big cats, the cheetah has shorter, stronger legs and a lighter, more aerodynamic build, which allows it to be the fastest land animal on the planet. Perhaps the loss of its roaring ability was a trade-off for its incredible speed and agility. After all, roaring is an energy-intensive behaviour that requires a lot of physical effort. By losing this ability, cheetahs were able to conserve energy and become the speedy hunters we know today. Thanks for watching. What's your favourite thing about cheetahs? Let us know in the comments below, and make sure to stay tuned for more amazing animal videos like this one. See you next time.